Welcome to today's lesson on Launchjacking, the ultimate organic traffic strategy for affiliate marketers. I'm Benjamin Hubner, founder of I Am Dominator, and I'm excited to share with you a proven approach that transformed my affiliate marketing journey. Let's rewind to 2009. I was just another marketer, overwhelmed by the complexities of paid ads and SEO. But then I stumbled upon something remarkable: Launchjacking. It's simple. No list, no paid traffic, and no fancy tools required. Just a well-timed review, a hot product launch, and a flood of organic sales. This week, I made multiple sales per day from free traffic alone. And it wasn't a fluke. It was repeatable. I realized that all I needed was to be in front of the right traffic at the right moment. Fast forward to today, and I've used this strategy not just to make sales, but to build email lists and communities. And now I'm here to teach you how to do it too. What you'll learn today is a step-by-step strategy blueprint. You'll discover how to identify the best products to promote, understand the essence of launchjacking, and create high-converting reviews, even if you're camera shy. We'll explore how to turn free traffic into email leads and build authority with product vendors. Let's start with an overview of how your launchjacking campaign comes together. Picture this. You're about to step onto a battlefield, but instead of weapons, you have content, timing, and affiliate links. It's not just about posting a review. It's a strategic campaign designed to attract buyer intent traffic, convert visitors, and turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. The core components of a profitable launchjacking campaign are essential to your success. First, you need the right product launch. Target launches that are generating buzz and have high consumer interest. Next, getting affiliate approval and possibly early access can set you apart. Then, create a review that acts as your conversion engine. And don't forget to stack irresistible bonuses to enhance your offer. Your mini site or bridge page funnel is crucial. It builds hype and trust, increasing your conversions. And instead of paying for ads, leverage organic traffic from social media and search engines by optimizing your content for relevant keywords. Building an email list is your secret weapon. Capture leads from various traffic sources to create an asset that brings in future sales. Establishing a social media presence can also build community and trust, making your audience more receptive to future promotions. Now, let's break down the flow of the campaign. You discover a launch, get approved, create your review and bonus stack, publish your content, and drive traffic. This process is repeatable and gets more effective with each campaign. If you don't get early access to a launch, don't worry. You can still ride the close by publishing your review during the final days of the launch when urgency peaks. This can lead to higher conversions and sales. Before we dive deeper, I want you to shift your mindset from being just an affiliate to becoming a campaign builder. Each campaign builds valuable assets: review content, bonus pages, and an ever-growing email list. You're not just making commissions, you're building leverage. A common mistake is rushing into launchjacking with just an affiliate link. Don't fall into this trap. You need a review funnel and lead capture strategy for long-term success. When choosing the right product, remember that not every popular launch is a fit. Look for products that genuinely solve problems and that you can endorse with confidence. Use platforms like MunchEye to find upcoming launches, and remember to think like a vendor when requesting approval. Personalize your requests to stand out. If you do buy a product yourself, leverage that experience to create authentic content that builds trust with your audience. Your review video or blog post should be published as soon as possible to capitalize on the urgency of the launch. To wrap up, this week, head to MunchEye and pick 2 upcoming launches, one for which you'd like early access and another to ride the close on. Start planning your content and get your affiliate link approved. Thanks for joining me in this lesson on launchjacking. I can't wait to see you implement these strategies and achieve amazing results in your affiliate marketing journey.